Hello there, we're the Computing Gurus, and today we're going to be talking about interrupts. What are interrupts? An interrupt is a signal sent by a device or program to the processor requesting its attention. Well, now that we know what an interrupt is, here are some examples of interrupts. If the user presses a key or clicks the mouse button, if an item of hardware develops a fault, or if the user sends a signal to the computer asking for a program to be terminated. Here is the fetch execute cycle we know so far. Where the check for interrupt stage will come in will be shown in the next slide. This extra step fits between the completion of one execution and the start of the next. After each execution, the processor checks to see if an interrupt has been sent by looking at the content of the interrupt register. And now we're going to talk about interrupt priorities. Interrupt priority is a method for assigning importance to interrupts in order to process them in the correct order. Level 1. Hardware failure. This is level 1 as it has the worst consequences, such as a loss of vital data. Level 2. Reset interrupt. This is when someone presses the reset button on the computer and causes it to restart. Level 3. Program error. This is caused by a program crashing. Level 4. Timer. A timer interrupt is used as a part of the time slicing process. Level 5. Input-output interrupts. These are caused from external devices. Once the values of the registers have been pushed to the stack, the processor is then free to handle the interrupt. This can be done using a technique called vectored interrupt mechanism. Each interrupt has an associated section of code that tells the processor how to deal with a particular interrupt. When the processor receives an interrupt, it needs to know how to find that code. Each type of interrupt has an associated memory address known as a vector. This vector points to the starting address of the code associated with each interrupt.